Now watch me create magic with System.io, a free all-in-one marketing platform, plus one of the most powerful AI tool in the world called Claude. These two tools combined together, I'm going to use it to create the most powerful one-click AI website or landing page that you have ever seen on the internet. Now watch me, this is a very simple process, right? If I'm doing it, but because of the purpose of this tutorial, normally this will take like 1 minute to do, and I will have a $1,000 landing page set up. But because I want to be detailed in my tutorial, I'm going to take some time so that you can get to understand the entire process if you are new to this. First thing first, use the link below, go and sign up to System.io. This platform is going to give you the best deal when it comes to creating your own website, and it's free forever. Website, landing pages, and a lot of other things that you need if you want to start making money on the internet, especially when it comes to online business and digital product creation. This tool is what you will need. So now what do we want to do here? Today we want to create a landing page for one of my new app that I'm currently building called Action Book. Alright, so what is Action Book? Action Book is just a simple app. What it does is it just turns books, right? Ebooks for me that I'm currently reading, because I have a lot of ebook, and the problem is that I never get to read these books. Even the one I bought, I never get to read it. I don't have time, but I need the solution contained in that book. So I was like, you know what? I need to create an app that will help me literally turn the idea in this book. Even if I don't get to read the book completely, at least let me be able to implement up to 50 to 60% of the idea in the book. Can I just get something? I'm not necessarily interested in reading book for reading sake. I need solution. I came up with an idea of, okay, let me create a tool for that, and that is the idea about Action Book. If you want to follow up, I'm currently doing that on my LinkedIn account. You can go check it out and see my progress over there. So, but right now what I want to do, I want to use System.io to create the landing page in conjunction with this particular most powerful AI tool called Claude. So I will give it a simple prompt. The first thing here, when you want to create anything on the internet with AI, you want to give the AI context, right? Context is the idea behind what you are trying to do, right? Let the AI understand, because you are building with the AI. So now the AI is going to understand what we are talking about. I just want to tell him my new app. I am building a new app called Action Book. It's a simple app that turns ebook into implementable plans for busy professionals, students, HR managers, and business SOPs. So just something like this, I just want to give the AI context. That is what you do when you are building. You don't just go and say, do this for me. No, you need to give the AI, it's your partner, give the AI context, right? Now, the best way to do this on a normal day is you want to first go on your Google Doc, write out the vision and the plan of your book, the plan of whatever thing you are doing, and just give the AI the stuff. Let the AI see your idea and everything. So, but you can still do it this way if you don't have time, like just where I'm doing it now. If you really want to do something very, very good, then you want to do it by just having it on a complete Google Doc and do it separately. So what do we have now? This AI is helping me to think like we are brainstorming together. This is an interesting concept. Action Book sounds like it addresses a real pain point, the gap between reading valuable content and actually implementing it in busy professionals' life. Yes, that's exactly what I want the app to do for me, because I'm tired of hearing, the concept of this book is so nice, the concept of this book is so good, and I never get to implement them. Even when I buy the books, I read them. Before I get to chapter 10, I already forget what is in chapter 1 and 2. Sometimes I have fun reading the book, but it will be more fun if I'm able to implement. I'm an action taker, I'm an implementer, so the process is important for me, but most importantly for me is the goal, all right, the result. So now this AI understand what I'm trying to do, transformation process, planning, convert, and all that. I can see the AI is very good, human extraction, blah blah blah, all the information is good. The AI understand the entire thing that I'm doing. I have a document. Funny enough, everything that this guy is saying right here is exactly what is inside the document, and I've not shared it with him, which means the whole concept is very clear, the vision is very clear. So now we have context down. AI know what we want to do. Step number 2 is, I want you to create a complete stand-alone landing page for this app. that I can copy and paste in my system IO account. It should be made up of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript only. What I would say next is, remember, it's for system.io and it must be a standalone landing page, all assets in one place. So remember, what we are doing here is this. First thing I said is what? We remember what I'm saying. The first thing is context. Context simply means that the AI must know what you are trying to do, must understand you. Second thing, what's the second thing? Are you following, guys? Second thing is what? Prompt. That's what we are talking about. So first, prompt and context. So now I have my prompt ready. After you write your prompt, you want to ask the AI, do you understand? Don't ever send anything without asking the AI if you understand, because sometimes the AI will just go and do nonsense. Do you understand? Boom. The moment I say, do you understand, the AI is going to tell me yes, he understands, and give me exactly what I want. But first of all, the AI is going to affirm that yes, you understand what I mean. So the AI said, yes, I understand perfectly. You want a complete standalone HTML landing page for action book that includes all these things, blah, blah, blah. Good. That includes JavaScript, a single file that you can. Good boy, good boy, good boy. Directly into your system.io account, I will create a modern conversion-focused landing page that has all asset HTML JavaScript in one file. Work standalone without external dependencies. Blah, good boy, clap for this boy. And it's optimized for busy professionals, students, HR managers, and businesses. Focus on core value proposition of turning ebooks into actionable plans. Include compelling sections like hero, features, benefit, testimonial, CTA, right? This is so intelligent that I don't even have to tell the AI, you need to put this, you need to put that, right on my prompt. As basic as that prompt is, the AI is still going to do a very good job. Now, even though I still advise that when you are doing something like this, you need to make sure that you have a very good prompt to go alongside with what you are doing. Now let's check out. See, if you are counting, if you are checking your time, you will notice that this thing just took literally few seconds. Look, this is what we have. See what we have here. See what we have. Complete landing page, action book, features, benefit, price, turn ebook into implementable plans, stop collecting digital ebook, start implementing knowledge. Action book transforms any ebook into step-by-step plans for busy professionals, students, and businesses. Start now, watch demo. This is good. I love it. Smart extraction, customization plan, quick implementation, progress tracker, team collaboration, continuous update. Exactly what I have on the app. Stop reading, start implementing. Boom, boom, boom. This is fantastic, guys. I don't know what you're thinking, but this is good. This is what you need. This is, just check it. This is exactly what any $1 million app needs as a landing page to sell. Now I can say, let's make it look like a $10 billion app landing page. So I'm just trying to push the AI to the wall. Let me see, so what transformation will the AI now add to me? Like, what will the AI do differently? And you know something, if you push the AI to the wall, the AI is going to produce results. If you push the AI deeply and say, you know what, I need something, make it better, make it good, add this, is it the best that we can have? Is it up to $10 billion worth? If you keep pushing the AI that way, you'll be shocked at what length the AI is going to go to create something very good. Remember that when we are doing something with AI, the goal is not for the AI to do something like us. If you think that your plans of working with AI is for the AI to behave like you, create something like you are getting it all wrong. The goal of we using the AI is to make sure that the AI does something 10 times better than what we can do. That is the goal. The AI should be able to do this thing 10 times better than what I can do. That is why it's an AI. So stop limiting yourself and stop trying to give the AI little tasks and just it's an AI now. Okay, it's an AI. The truth is, it's gonna do it better than you can or could. It's gonna do it faster. It's gonna think faster than you. Within 10 seconds, this AI is going to conjure a lot of stuff that it will take you time to think about. So give the AI all those heavy loads to do. Oh my God, what is this? Man, are you seeing what I'm seeing? So just by telling the AI to make it better, the AI completely changed everything. This looks like Fortune 500. And see everything that we have here. See everything here, all the videos that the stuff has added for us. So what we want to do now, we want to take this whole thing to our system.io. See, you guys, you won't see it here very well until when I copy it. If you want to copy it, I just want to copy the code here. I'll click on this place. You see the I here. I just click on this place to be able to copy the code. When I click here, it will show me the code. So when I click there, I was able to copy the code. Then I will go to my system.io. So the next thing is to go to system.io after copying the code from my Claude AI. Like I said, you can use any tool for this, but I always get better results with this Claude AI. So I'll go to my system.io editor. I assume that some of you already know about system.io and how to get to this place where you get to the normal custom. This is the normal custom layout you will see in system.io and all that. But guess what? Websites and landing pages nowadays, I will not be dragging and dropping at this age again, at this age of AI. I can't be doing all that. I can't be doing all these things. For what? So let me show you the new way, how you would do it now in the new age. We come here, delete everything on the system.io page. Just delete everything you have here. You take them one after the other. We'll delete everything on your custom page. So now we have a fresh place, nothing here. All we want to do here is to come down here by the settings here. You see raw HTML. Grab this raw HTML, paste it here. Click on it, you can double click on the raw HTML. Okay, when you click on the raw HTML, you will see the settings by the left hand side here. Come here and say edit code. Inside the edit code, we will just Ctrl A or highlight everything, delete everything we have here, and we'll just paste the code we copied from the Claude AI or any of the AI you are using. Just copy and paste and say save. When you copy and paste and say save, it will save everything. If there is any error, it will show you that there is any error. If there is no error, it will not show you any error. Boom. Now we don't have any error. Once we paste it here, all we need to do is to save it. The moment you save it, you want to test it to see if it actually aligns well with what you're trying to do. If you want to see it very well, you need to open it on the view page, right? So when I click on view now, you will see it to open for me properly. So now this is the entire view page. Tell me, which of the websites, how are you going to design this type of website or this type of landing page in system.io and get this view by copy and paste? There is no way. Like, I don't even see myself dragging and dropping anything anymore. Can you imagine? This will be hosted on system.io for you, free of charge, high quality landing page for any of the things that you are selling. Literally, free AI, free hosting. Now I have a landing page that's going to sell my new app that I'm currently developing and documenting the journey on LinkedIn. You guys can follow along, you will see all these things. Can you see what I'm talking about? This is all just one shot. Everything is, see, everything is working. Everything is working and you are good to go. All you need to do is to start selling your digital products. This is how to create one-click AI-based landing page. You do it, you use your AI to create this whole code, copy, paste it on your system.io account. Make sure you are pasting it on the custom HTML. I have a lot of tutorial about it, and you have this. You can sell this for $500 to $5,000 depending on your negotiation and what you are doing and what you're going to add to it. This is what I'm talking about. Alright guys, if you like this type of content, let me know so that I can do more and even explain even better for you guys. If you want to create digital products, click on this video and learn how to create your own digital product from scratch to the end. And see you in the next one.